Hi everybody, I want to talk about Microsoft Surfaces. Where can you get them repaired? And is Microsoft the place to get them repaired? All right, so there's two instances I want to talk about. If you just want to straight up repair your Microsoft Surface, you don't care about the data, Microsoft is a good option. It's probably your first option you should check out. Why? If it's under warranty, they probably have a sweetheart deal that you may only have to pay for a deductible for it, and that's it. And situation with that is usually you ship it away and they send it to you anywhere from 5 to who knows how many days. No, it's probably like 5 days minimum, all the way to like maybe 2 weeks, right? So that's one way. Now, if you have data, which you probably do unless you're one of the few that actually back up your files, but if you have data, then it's a different scenario. Microsoft will still fix it, but guess what? You're not going to get the data. Why? Their first push for their devices is really just to refurbish them. They'll get you the computer as a refurbished computer as a replacement and send it to you, and guess what? You have no data. So I just want to bring that up. You have to be mindful of that. If you have files, you really have to make sure that you back them up first. If you don't have them backed up, unless Microsoft has changed their policy as of today, after I'm making this video, then great. But it behooves you to just back up your files. Whether you know how to do it yourself, great, do it. If not, go to a third-party company that will take care of it. And I haven't heard of Microsoft having like some weird third-party issues like Apple does. Meaning, if they think that another third-party company has gotten into your computer to recover your files, they might be like, oh no, I can't touch it anymore. It's out of warranty, it's voided. So the point with that is, don't mention it. What they don't know is not going to hurt you or them. But if a third-party company obviously does some destruction to your Microsoft Surface while they're in there, well, you blame them. You take a claim on them. But if it looks like everything's clean, there's no damage when they do the recovery, then you're good to go. You have nothing to worry about. Otherwise, if it's out of warranty and you want to get it repaired and Microsoft's price is crazy, look for a third-party company. Obviously, I can plug ourselves, we do it, but there's plenty of companies, well, not plenty, but there are companies out there that do it, but just make sure they actually fix it. You want to make sure typically the repairs are screen replacements, battery replacements, a board repair, a board replacement. Those are the typical ones. Could be top case, keyboard, and like just showing you a Surface right here. So just pointing to the issues that it could be the screen that's cracked, and you might not even know that's cracked, but like your touch screen might be wacky. You might think your cursor is funky, but in actuality, it could be just like a spider web crack that's causing it. Acts like pretty much a phone screen would, like on your iPhone, that if it's a spider web crack, you're not going to be able to move around as much. Keyboard, you might have keys that don't work, so this could be swapped out. If your keyboard looks like it's actually like imploded, where it's rising up, that could mean that your battery most likely is imploding and is pushing up, and you should really replace that ASAP because that could explode and cause further issues. And then the most grave of all the issues is the motherboard. If your computer doesn't turn on at all, could be a battery, could be a screen totally demolished, but it also could be the motherboard, the system board itself, which you would need to repair or replace. So there you have it. In summary, if you don't need files, you're under warranty, you should try Microsoft first, nail it away. If you need data, you should either recover your files first or go to another company before you bring it to Microsoft. Now, if you're out of warranty, it behooves you to really just go check Microsoft's prices, but more importantly, if you need files, go to a third-party company that actually does these Surface repairs. And that's it. All right. Love to hear your comments. If you've had experiences with Microsoft Surfaces, let us know. Love to hear how it's gone for you if you've gone to Microsoft or another third-party company. And also, subscribe. Let's keep this going.